How to use Uber Eats gift card. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the procedure to use Uber Eats gift card. To use Uber Eats gift card, you need to follow these steps. Make sure to open up your Uber Eats application on your device, after which you'll then be taken to the home page. Now to use the Uber Eats gift card, you just need to Uber Eats app and then go to the accounts tab. So I'm using the browser version of it. You could use the app as well. Either way, the procedure will remain the same. Next, what you need is here, you simply want to tap on the menu bar, after which you have to go ahead and tap on the account section. Next, you want to navigate to the wallet section, and when you look for the wallet section from the menu, click on add funds. So click on gift card. Now you need to first of all add in your gift card balance of funds to your account. Next, you want to type in your gift code or pin in the designated field and tap on add or to apply the gift card balance to your account. And this way you could use Uber Eats gift card. So that's the way you could go ahead and do it. So now whenever you order an item from Uber Eats, you could use the gift card in order to pay for certain items. So this is how you'll be able to use Uber Eats gift card. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.